Welcome back to This and That Cook Start. We're here in Riverview still for the next few days. And today's feature is some fried fish. These came directly from the bay here in Ruskin. So on this platter we have some black drum and we have the southern kingfish. We have some, what it looks like, gray snapper is what we're handling today. It looks like that's a few southern kingfish. So we'll show you the finished result here. That's the sliced black drum.
It's dangerous and it blows with circuit.
Alright, black drum. Still in Riverview. We have a sheep's head, which we forgot to announce earlier.
That's not the only issue this house has.
Black drum. And then we have our southern kingfish here. Going strong.
Okay, we're preparing the mixture for the Escovitch fish. We have carrots. We have onions and different kinds of bell pepper. And we have scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so we are sauteing the carrots first. After which we will add the onion, the bell pepper, different colors, and the scotch bonnet pepper. And some dried allspice berries. Now it's time to put in the rest of the seasoning. And we're going to saute that. Everything together, it smells so good. Look at that. And we're putting in a little bit of Maggi Fish Seasoning in there. And now it's time for the vinegar to go in. No water, vinegar. We use white vinegar. Our mixture is ready. Our Escoviech mixture is ready, and we're putting it all over the fish. Wow, this is so good. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then we're gonna deal with it. And by the way, the fish were caught by my son and my daughter-in-law. We're here in Riverview, Florida. Wow. Absolutely lovely.